Anyone who has lived in a hot country knows the joy of stepping into an air-conditioned room or grabbing a cold drink from the fridge, joys that can only be experienced thanks to the cooling industry. Beyond providing these simple pleasures, cooling systems such as air conditioners and fridges are vital to our modern lives. They allow us to keep food fresh and safe to eat, live comfortable in difficult climates, store medicine, and maintain data servers. Among other things, they are, however, also seriously environmentally unfriendly, producing 3 times more carbon dioxide emissions than the aviation and shipping industries combined. Air conditioners are particularly power hungry. Cooling a single room on average consumes more power than running 4 fridges, but the sheer amount of energy being used isn't the only problem. And air conditioners and fridges also contain chemicals that are extremely powerful greenhouse gases. These chemicals, known as HFCs and HCFCs, are thousands of times more potent than carbon dioxide is when it comes to warming the planet. And despite the fact that these chemicals are safely contained within an appliance for most of its life, careless disposal of old cooling equipment can cause these chemicals to leak into the atmosphere, where they stay around, sometimes for decades, trapping the sun's heat. Current estimates put the growing number of air conditioners in the world around 1.9 billion. Of course, the more air conditioners there are, the worse global warming gets, and the worse global warming gets, the higher the temperature. The higher the temperatures rise. As temperatures climb, we feel the increasing heat and turn to using air conditioners even more. It is a vicious cycle. Solutions to the problem are then sorely needed. Some manufacturers have already begun substituting natural refrigerants for HFCs and HCFCs because of the law or because of the low or zero global warming potential of the former. But the problem of air conditioners' substantial energy consumption still remains. In terms of efficiency, the air conditioner has changed little since it was first invented in 1902. In 2018, however, a global coalition led by the Indian government and the Rocky Mountain Institute, US-based energy tank offered US $3 million in prize money to the engineers who could design the most efficient and relatively low-cost air conditioners. While we wait for this technology to become standard, the responsibility falls on us to limit the environmental damage of air conditioners as much as possible, and the only way to do that is to decrease our reliance on air conditioning. This may involve sacrificing a little comfort, but that is surely better than sacrificing our planet.